Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your credit score in Rocket Money. So you can check that directly in the Rocket Money mobile app after verifying your identity. So the Rocket Money provides your Experian FICO score 2 along with your credit reports, score history, and alerts for important changes. So to check your credit score in this app, you will need to open it first and then just access the credit score section by either scrolling down on the dashboard until you see the credit score or tapping more and selecting credit score. And then just tap on unlock my full report or get started. So if you are using the feature for the first time, enter your social security number, the SSN or individual taxpayer and identification number. It's the ITEN or ITIN, so it's the individual taxpayer and identification. And yeah, that's of course when prompted. And then just complete the identity verification process by answering the required security questions. And once verified, view your current FICO score 2 from Experian, the full credit reports, the credit score history, the factors affecting your score, and alerts for significant credit changes. So the Rocket Money uses the Experian FICO or FICO score 2 model, so your score may differ from scores shown by other services that use different credit bureaus or scoring models. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.